Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start at the TV with the remote and power on. This saves time. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Network or Connections. You need to see Active Interfaces. Make sure you note which interface says Mobile, Hotspot, or Phone Link so you don't remove Wi-Fi by mistake. If the TV was paired via a phone app, open the app on your phone too. That helps when unpairing. Now proceed to disable the mobile link. Next, you find and select the mobile hotspot, phone link, or similar entry. Choose Disconnect, Forget, or Remove so the TV stops accepting that mobile source. Once done, check the TV's automatic connect or reconnect toggle and switch it off to prevent future pairing. Make sure to also open the phone's Bluetooth or hotspot settings and unpair or turn off sharing. That severs the link from both ends. If the TV prompts for confirmation. Finally, you verify the mobile connection is gone by checking network. Only your home Wi-Fi or Ethernet should remain. Once confirmed, restart the TV to clear cache settings and test apps to ensure normal internet access. If the mobile link reappears, make sure the phone's hotspot is off and then forget network on the TV. If that fails, perform a network settings reset on the TV to remove all saved connections. This reset usually resolves stubborn reconnections.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.